subscribe to our channel.
8 Natural ways to fight inflammation and bloating. 1. Water and apple cider vinegar. Odds are your bloating and inflammation resulted from eating very acidic foods or having a heavy meal. Apple cider vinegar combined with water is one way to reduce the acid levels in your stomach, improving your body's overall function and reducing inflammation as a result. How do you make it? Mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a cup of water and drink this before or after a meal. 2. Cinnamon tea. Cinnamon is a spice that contains digestive properties which can help support your body in detoxifying and treating abdominal bloating and gases. How do you make it? Heat a cup of water and add a small teaspoon of cinnamon. Let it steep for 10 minutes, add a little honey, and enjoy. 3. Chamomile tea. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties that promote good intestinal health and alleviate stomach pain. How do you make it? Heat a cup of water and add 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile flowers. Let them simmer for 15 minutes. Remove from heat and drink this after your midday meal. 4. Ginger tea. Ginger is well known for its anti-inflammatory powers that can improve your health in many ways. Ginger helps reduce abdominal pain, fight nausea, and speed up your metabolism. Ginger tea is specifically recommended for weight loss because it's thermogenic, meaning that it improves your body's ability to burn calories. How do you make it? Grate half a teaspoon of ginger and add it to a cup of boiling water. Let it steep for 10 minutes before drinking. 5. Flax seed. Thanks to their high fiber content and essential fatty acids, these seeds improve your digestion and fight gas to eliminate bloating and inflammation. How should you consume them? Soak a tablespoon of ground flax seed in a cup of water overnight, and drink it in the morning. 6. Tomatoes. Tomatoes have a very high antioxidant content that cleanses your body and helps eliminate waste, improving the function of many of your organs. Regular consumption of tomatoes is recommended for burning fat because they also contain fiber and phytonutrients, plus a significant amount of water. How should you consume them? Add 5 organic tomatoes, half a cup of water, and a little lemon juice to a blender. Enjoy this juice any time of day. 7. Green tea. This is one of the most famous beverages for reducing inflammation and fighting the fat that builds up in the abdominal region. In addition to those benefits, green tea also contains numerous antioxidants that regulate your cholesterol and protect you against the effects of free radicals. How do you make it? Add a couple of tablespoons of green tea to a cup of boiling water. Let it steep for 10 minutes before drinking. 8. Pineapple and cucumber juice. This all-natural juice combines 2 great diuretics that facilitate the removal of toxins and excess fluids to reduce abdominal inflammation. Thanks to their supply of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals, this juice is recommended for weight loss and better skin. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.